Hi everybody, it's Chef Suzy, and I'm here to present you with the vegetable of the month, and it's kale. This is kale. There's certain different kinds of kale. This is called dinosaur kale, also known as lasanito kale. This one here is the kale that's most common in most grocery stores. It's a curly kale, but it's called the standard dwarf kale, where this one here is the lasanita, which is also known as the dinosaur kale. Kale is a lot of fun to work with, and it's also great in smoothies, salads, topped in snacks. You can bake it, broil it, saute it, steam it. There are so many things you can do with kale, but today we're gonna make kale chips that are so crunchy and delicious, you're gonna wanna make them too. Let's get started. First of all, how do we work with kale? Well, let's start from the grocery store. At the grocery store, you'll pick out your kale. Most kale is about $1 a bunch, or maybe $1.99, but it's never over $2, so it's very inexpensive. When you bring your kale home, you want to take the kale and you want to pull it off of its spine. This here is a spine. And you can pull it off the spine and put it into a bowl of water, just like this one here. This is how we're gonna wash it, we're gonna swish it around, and then we're gonna dry it. And that's how we get our kale nice and clean so that your family can enjoy it. So I'm taking my kale, I'm gonna use curly kale for these chips. It's the best kind. I'm gonna put them in the water, and I'm just gonna swish them around and get all that maybe sand and dirt off of them, and it comes right off. All you have to do is just swish them in the water. Now with these stems, don't throw them away. You can feed them to your animals. And with the leftover water, you can water your plants. So I'm swishing my kale around in the water just to get any dirt that's on them. And I'm gonna use a paper towel here to put them on just to dry them. This is gonna dry them off. Kale chips are gonna be your favorite snack. So after we get the kale nice and dry, first I'd like to tell you what kale is. Kale is a part of the headless cabbage family. There's also broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts in that same family. So I'm gonna put my water over here and I'll water my plants with that. I've got my kale. Now I'm gonna put my kale into a bowl where I'm gonna add some olive oil and some seasonings. Now you can use any seasoning you like. I like to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 2 cups of kale and a little bit of salt-free seasoning that you can find at your grocery store because it's healthier. So then you'll want to put them together like this, and you'll want to really massage the kale leaves. If you can get all the olive oil on every single kale, it's going to be the crunchiest chip ever. That's a pro tip, guys. A pro tip is to avoid overcrowding the pan and also to give all these kale leaves an even coat. Once you have that, you'll grab your sheet pan, just like this, and you'll have parchment paper right on top of the sheet pan. You'll preheat your oven for 350 degrees, and you'll bake these kale chips for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. You can make kale 3 different ways. You can make green apple kale smoothies, kale snack bars. You can also make kale mac and cheese. You can also challenge me and make a recipe of your own and send a photo in and see what you've got. But these kale chips are going to be delicious. As a matter of fact, this is what they look like when they're done. They're nice and crispy.